Hey everybody, Devin here. This will be a different kind of video for me. Sorry about the lack of light. I'll turn this on for turn that on for a second so you guys can see me. Otherwise, I'm not gonna keep the light on. It's gonna drain my car battery down. Anyway, so I'll blow it a little bit too for a second. So anyway, I just got off work. Today is what day is today? October 20th, 2018. And for those of you who don't know, I manage at a movie theater, and I just closed up. So, today was kind of a long day. It was one of the busiest days I had in a little while. And this is kind of some new hobby I picked up. I don't even know if I'm going to post this video or not, but if I do, it's kind of a new hobby I picked up. I occasionally like to smoke cigars, and I'm kind of looking into getting into pipe smoking too. I'm not, I don't really consider myself a smoker because, I don't smoke every day. I don't smoke every week. I smoke in months at a time. The last time I smoked something was in August, and it's October now, so it's kind of a long day. So I figured, I want to try out, just smoke a cigar to try to just relax a little bit. And the cigar that I picked out was the Dutch Masters Palma. I had the Dutch Masters Presidents. At first, I really didn't like them, but after I, had it, I didn't like the bitter taste it had afterwards, the after bitter taste. But otherwise, like looking back on it, it had a really creamy flavor. I didn't mind it, so I decided I was gonna try this Palma cigar. And I know people are kind of, hitting, trash on gas station cigars, which I can understand. But right now it's midnight and there's no tobacco shops open, so I gotta do with what you got. So yeah, it's a Dutch Masters Palma. You guys kind of see that. Can't really see a little bit better. Don't mind my hair, I just got a haircut and it's kind of all over the place right now. Anyway, yeah, kind of curious how this is gonna taste. Let's see a little bit. My first time smoking alone. Every time I've ever smoked, I've always been with somebody. Mostly because, smoking alone's kind of boring. They say you smoke a cigar, pipe, whatever, usually you have something to talk about. And, I figured I'd just kind of like get the video out. I don't even know if I'm going to upload it, but if I do, yeah. So I'm going to roll down the window a little bit. Or all the way, because it's going to snake in here for a little while. Anyways, I'll just get this guy opened up here. So just machine-made cigars. So with these machine-made cigars, there's these, I got this damn light. There's a hole punched through them, so you don't actually have to cut it. You just gotta take it as it is. I like, the premiums. I've had good experience with gas station cigars. Like the only one I ever smoked, I said was Dutch Masters. This is the second gas station cigar. Every other cigar I've ever smoked is always giving me nicotine poisoning. There's only one cigar that didn't give that to me, and it had a horrible taste. It was I don't remember what it was, but it was too dark for me and I didn't like it. I like light and, non heavy nicotine. I do not like nicotine poisoning. It's horrible. I smoked, it was a Churchill Romeo Julieta. It was this just big ass cigar, and it was good. I smoked it with my best friend I think it was his last day here before I went to college. And it was fine until we got towards like the mid part, and I started getting lightheaded. And the best advice really is, when you start to get to that point, you should just stop. And I didn't want to, because what I should have done was just cut the cigar. And I know that's kind of frowned upon in the community to cut a cigar once you started smoking it, but I should have did that because I got like lightheaded, my blood pressure dropped. I threw up afterwards, and I had steak and shake. It was horrible. After that, I felt better, but. Anyway, enough blabber. Let's get this lit up. Somewhere in here, I do have a lighter. Oh, Jesus Christ. How lit the bag? That was the only last time I smoked. Actually, it's a big-ass torch, I should say. It's not really much of a lighter. There we go. Just a dry draw on it. Not much taste to it. Oof. Oh, this tastes better lit. Far, it's not very good. So far, the only thing this thing tastes like is like the Dutch Masters President, but without the creamy flavor, just like the bitter taste. Not good. Oof, damn. Turn this light off. Holy shit. I bought this e-cig vape thing. I didn't know the thing existed, and I never really cared for vaping. I thought it looked stupid. But I bought this e-vape thing and just curious to see what it was. And I got it without nicotine and just trying it out. I think I got used to that. Not like I was like just kind of playing around with it. I just kind of see what it was. I was curious. I just bought it. And going back from this to smoking, it's like, ooh, God. Granted, it's a cheap cigar. I guess I can't expect too much. I'm not impressed. I will say one thing about these Dutch Masters though is they burn pretty nice, evenly. I'll never know how or what's the machine madeness of it. I don't know. Like every hit I take, I can really feel it. Come back up here, then back down. Like, oof, damn. This cigar's not good. So anyway, I really don't even know what to talk about. Just kind of just been 9 minutes videos of me just sitting here. This is fucking nasty. She just got the goddamn president.